Number 40, a dog kennel charges $20 per night to board your dog. You can also have a doggy treat delivered to your dog for $5. Write an equation that models the possible combinations of nights at the kennel and doggy treats that you can buy for $100 total. Let's talk about nights first. Let's call our nights N. You know, if the dog N, and then here's how much it costs. If you stay for one night, okay, yeah, it's $20. 2 nights would be $40. But what if you stay for N nights? How much is it going to cost you? You need an expression for it. Well, it's 20 times N, $20 times the number of nights. Similarly, with the doggy treats, let's call the doggy treats T. Okay, how much money are you going to spend on them? 1 treat, $5. 2 treats, $10. 10 treats, well, 10 times 5 would be $50. But what about T treats in general? It would be $5 times the number of treats. So here's how much I spend on boarding nights. Here's how much I spend on treats. My total cost would be the sum of those two things. So it would be 20N plus 5T. That's going to be my total cost, and I can buy things. I can spend up to $100. So I set it equal to 100, and we've got our equation. We're supposed to graph it. Okay, so if I make a quick sketch of a graph here. Oop, that wasn't so good. Let's drop this down a little bit. I'm going to call this my nights. I'm going to call this my treats. Now, what you want to find, if you have a standard form equation, are your intercepts. So basically, if I buy no treats, how many nights can the dog stay? 100 divided by 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nights. 2, 3, 4. So there's my N intercept. My T intercept, well, if I don't let the dog stay overnight, how can I just spoil it with treats? What's 100 divided by 5? It's 20. So my T-intercept is going to be 20. I can't fit 20. I'm going to have to change my scale. I'm going to go by 5s. There's 5, 10, there's 15, 20, 25. So we said you can buy up to 20 treats. To graph it then, you just play connect the dots. Of course, I'm not going to use arrows because I can't go into the negatives. So I'm just going to have a line segment connecting those 2 points. Explain what the intercepts mean in this situation. We kind of talked about it. This intercept would be I spend all my money on boarding with no treats. This intercept would be I spend all my money on treats, but I don't let it stay overnight.